Hello, my name is Clark, and today we got a big fucking diagram from Amazon. I don't have a camera anymore, so I've been filming my videos on iPads and iPhones. Unfortunately, my GoPro died and my other camera died, so I'm probably gonna wish for a camera for my birthday. But I want to get some games too. But here we are. We're gonna unbox this cool packaging. Actually, my parents ordered it for me because I don't have a credit card. Reason why I can't tell you. Anyway, so let's open this thing up. All right. So we got Keijo, the collector's edition. So yeah, this is pretty sweet. So I'm gonna show you the back. Never half-ass anything. Once I read that. Okay, I'm sorry. Alright. Oh, this is great. Alright. So let's open this thing up. So you got a spine. So it seems like... Oh, that's a booklet! That's a book. This is a booklet. That's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm gonna open this thing up. Throw that away, hold on. Use a screwdriver. I mean a wrench, sorry. As I don't know what is which, you know, what is this? Alright, so what's this? Alright, so this is a slip which I'm gonna keep just in case. Oh, this is a calendar. This is the calendar that everyone's talking about. I'm gonna show you a few of them. So okay. This is really fucking cool. Sorry. Stupid reminder or something. That looks nice. So what's my month? Oh, I got I got these two girls. I forgot their names, but I do recognize them. I have watched the show. I know it's Alba, and I know that Nozomi on the one with the blue. This is really very nice calendar. I haven't had a calendar in a while. So, and this is like a really thick stock one. This is not like a cheapo. No, they actually put some fucking effort into this thing. Sorry for cursing. They really put some effort into this thing. That looks really nice. Alright, so what else do we got in here? So yeah, this is the front, alright. So right here, we got the Blu-ray itself. Pretty nice. And then you got more girls on the inside, so it's this is some good shit. This is some good stuff. So that's the DVD, that's the Blu-ray if you can't see it. This is a really nice. Oh, shit. Oh. This is a really nice packaging. All right. All right. So we gotta save the best for last, which is this art book right here. I'm gonna flip through it a little bit for you. This is so good, dude. This is damn. Just damn. Oh my goodness. This is butts. This is boobs and butts. Oh my goodness. Thank God I don't live with my parents, you know what I mean? That was pretty cool. So I think that's pretty much it. Let's take a look. But yeah, that's the Keijo Complete Series Collector's Limited Edition, Collector's Edition. Pretty cool shit. Thanks for watching.